Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrook from MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out a 2025 Yamaha 252 SE. So we're way up here in the bow on this SE model. So this is part of Yamaha's S series, which is going to be their kind of top of the line, most luxury oriented model. You'll see a little bit more details gone into a couple aspects of this boat. See some small things like this logo here for the 252 on the sea deck that you got glued to the side there, all the way down to the interior with this diamond stitching on the backrest there for a little bit more style, a little bit more comfort. Just one of the small things that Yamaha's paying attention to, trying to compete with, you know, some of the more luxury oriented lines out there. So we'll work on back to the cockpit a little bit. As we come through, you can see you do have a head door here. So this is set up and ready to have a porta potty added on board there. If you leave it without one, it does work as a really big storage compartment. So that's pretty cool there. Behind here is going to be some more storage that's under the helm, and this will open and fold out into a wind dam that will go right into this track here in order to block that wind when you got the windshield closed like this. Makes for a comfortable ride on a cooler or a windier day. Work on back a little bit more. Take a look at the helm real quick. So up here you do have your nice big Yamaha Connect screen. When you get into these higher end options, this screen size does become much bigger like this, so you can tell it takes up the entirety of that rectangle. So you get a nice big chart plotter for your map, and your engine management and stereo controls all going to be in there as well. This is part of the E series from Yamaha, so you're going to have digital ignition, so that's going to be push button start, as well as digital throttle, so no throttle cable to wear out over time. Makes for super smooth, easy shifting, and driving at low speeds is a lot easier with that digital throttle rather than a traditional cable. Dual captain chairs on board here, both with armrest and a bolster for the main captain's chair there. Got a super comfortable layout in the cockpit on this 252 here now. So you can see this tower that's giving us the shade while we're on here. This tower is unique to the 252 model. So it's got a couple different stages that you can adjust with this dial here. And you're able to kind of move this around based on where the sun is going to be at for part of the day. So if you need to kind of bend it down a little bit more or raise it up more, you're able to do that with just the twist of this dial here. You're gonna have lots of storage on board here under each of these benches in the cockpit. And awesome aspect of the 252 are these latches for the tower. Makes folding it down super simple. Once again, unique to this model are these sliding loungers for the swim platform here. So you use this trigger and you can move that back and forth and change whatever is going to be more comfortable for you while you're out on the water. And take a moment to show you guys those pretty 1.9 Yamaha high output engines that you've got on board here. Another unique part of this boat is going to be this folding, I call it an airplane table on here. So that folds into place like that with the seat back, and you've got some storage, this little spot on here as well. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake Holbrook.